If you need to place a center line exactly between two lines in AutoCAD, this quick tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it. This is a really useful tool when you're working on mechanical drawings, technical layouts, or any design where center marks and alignment matter. And if you find this video helpful, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy AutoCAD tutorials just like this. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. Make sure your two lines are already in place and visible on the screen, because the Centerline command works by picking those objects directly. Once your drawing is open, go up to the Annotate tab on the ribbon. This is where you'll find many of the tools used for adding dimensions, notes, and drawing annotations. In the Annotate tab, look for the Centerlines panel. Inside that panel, click the Centerline tool. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can also type Centerline and then press Enter. Both methods will take you to the same command, so you can use whichever feels faster for your workflow. After activating the command, AutoCAD will ask you to select the first line. Click on the first line you want to use, then select the second line. As soon as you select both lines, AutoCAD will automatically create a center line exactly between them. The line will appear centered based on the two objects you chose, giving you a clean and accurate center reference without needing to draw it manually. If the center line is not placed the way you expected, make sure the two objects are the correct lines and that you selected them in the proper area of the drawing. In most cases though, it works instantly and saves you a lot of time compared to building the center line yourself. This is especially helpful when you need consistency across multiple parts of a drawing or want to make your drafting process faster and more precise. So to recap, open your drawing, go to Annotate, click Centerline, select the first line, select the second line, and AutoCAD will place the center line automatically between them. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tip.